Madam President,
Yes, Gavin.
I move that our chapter hosts a drive-through food drive during National FFA Week.
Second.
It's been properly moved and seconded that our chapter hosts a drive-through food drive during National FFA Week. Is there any discussion on the main motion?
Madam President.
Yes, Gavin.
I feel that a drive-through food drive is good for the community and there's always someone in need of food.
Madam President.
Yes, Hunter.
I agree with this motion because I think that it would limit the contact so that there will be no COVID spreading.
Madam President.
Yes, Carter.
I'm against this motion because National FFA Week is in February and we could be troubled with weather. Please go against this motion.
Madam President.
Yes, Jose.
I am for this motion because having an FFA food drive could look good on our school and helping others. Please join me in this vote.
Madam President.
Yes, Ethan.
Having a FFA drive-through food drive in February is going to be cold, so the drive-through will keep everyone warmer and keep things sped up. Please talk about it.
Madam President,
Yes, Carter.
I move to postpone this motion indefinitely.
It's been properly moved and seconded that we postpone this motion indefinitely. Is there any discussion?
Madam President.
Yes, Ethan.
I rise against this motion because postponing this motion indefinitely is a bad idea because we haven't had very many activities because of the coronavirus, and this is one thing that we could do to help families in need. Please talk about it.
Madam President.
Yes, Jose.
I am against this postpone indefinitely because having an FFA food drive helps in random communities. Please join me in the vote.
Madam President,
Yes, Carter.
I am for this postponement because we don't really need any more motions. We've already got enough for our FFA chapter. So please pass this postponement.
Madam President,
Yes, Hunter.
I disagree with this motion because I think that, or I want to hear everybody else's discussion on the main. I encourage a no vote.
Madam President,
Yes, Gavin.
far too often around here I feel like we don't give motions a chance, and I feel like we need to give this motion an opportunity to pass.
Is there any more discussion on the postponement indefinitely? Seeing none, we will now proceed to vote. All in favor of postponing this motion indefinitely, please raise your right hand. All opposed, please raise your right hand. Motion fails. We're now back to the main motion. Is there any more discussion?
Madam President,
Yes, Jose.
I rise over the parliamentary inquiry.
State your inquiry.
What vote does this motion require?
Majority vote. Is there any more discussion on the main motion?
Madam President,
Yes, Gavin.
I feel that a drive-through food drive is a good idea and that our chapter has the funds to help with this food drive and give back to the community.
Madam President,
Yes, Carter.
I'm still against this motion because during National FFA Week, we have so many activities going on. Like, we have a tractor thing to go to school, and we have a whole bunch of other activities during National FFA Week. So don't pass this.
Is there any more discussion on the main motion?
Madam President,
Yes, Gavin.
I feel that a drive-through food drive is a good idea and give back to the community because of the fundraisers that they have helped us with, and this will help us give back.
Madam President,
Yes, Hunter.
I agree with this motion because there have been many people laid off from work because of the coronavirus. I encourage a yes vote.
Madam President,
Yes, Jose.
I'm still for this motion because giving out to the community, whether it's food or anything else, is very much appreciated. Please join me in yes vote.
Madam
Madam
President,
President.
Yes, Carter.
I call upon previous question.
Previous question has been called. If passed, all debates will come to cease. All in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, please say nay.
Nay. Division.
Division has been called. We will now proceed to vote by clear means. All in favor, please raise your right hand. All opposed, please raise your right hand. Motion fails. We're now back to the main motion. Is there any more discussion?
Madam
Madam
President.
President,
Yes, Ethan.
I rise in favor of this motion because the drive-through will keep everyone safer and keep things moving along smoothly during our busy FFA week. Side of my vote, please.
Madam President,
Yes, Hunter.
I call for a 5-minute recess.
It's been properly moved and seconded that we take a 5-minute recess. All in favor, please raise your right hand. All opposed, please raise your right hand. Motion failed. Is there any more discussion on the main motion?
Madam President,
Yes, Ethan.
I move to refer this motion to a committee of 3.
Is there a second?
Second.
It's been properly moved and seconded that we refer this motion to a committee of 3. Is there any discussion?
Madam President,
Yes, Ethan.
I rise in favor of this motion, being the maker of the motion. I think it's a good idea to refer this matter because it would give us more time to decide if this was a good idea to do a FFA directly during the pandemic.
Madam President,
Yes, Carter.
I am against this referral because I don't think we will have much say as FFA members, and we just will not be able to do our duties as FFA members. So please do not pass this referral.
Madam President,
Yes, Hunter.
I disagree with this motion because I think that if we pass it, there will not be as many minds to think about it. I encourage a no vote.
Madam President,
Yes, Gavin.
I feel that if we refer this motion to a committee of three, it will not give the whole group a chance to decide, and I feel that the whole group should be able to decide on what we did.
Madam President,
Yes, Jose.
I'm against this referral because more opinions on any main motion could be better. Please remain a no vote.
Is there any more discussion on the referral? Seeing none, we'll now proceed to vote. All in favor, please raise your right hand. All opposed, please raise your right hand. Motion failed. We're now back to the main motion. Is there any more discussion?
Madam President,
Yes, Ethan.
I move to lay this motion on the table.
Is there a second? It's been properly moved and seconded that we lay this motion on the table. All those in favor, please raise your right hand. All opposed, please raise your right hand. Motion fails. We're now back to the main motion. Is there any more discussion?
Madam President,
Yes, Gavin.
I rise the question of privilege.
State your question.
May we take our jackets off? It is hot in here.
May or may not. Official meetings require official dress. Is there any more discussion on the main motion? Seeing none, we'll now proceed to vote. All in favor, please raise your right hand. All opposed, please raise your right hand. Motion passes.
Madam President,
Yes, Jose.
I move that we adjourn this meeting.
It's been properly moved and seconded that we adjourn this meeting. All in favor, please say aye. All opposed, please say nay. Meeting adjourned.